The ultimate Digiscoping adapters. Scope Cam. Order yours at timesup.com.
Thanks for purchasing a new point-and-shoot camera kit. My name's Reggie Parsons, and in the next few minutes I'm going to give you some quick pointers on using your new setup, and I'm going to show you how fast and easy these kits adapt to your spotting scope. Let's get started. The Scope Cam adapter works with friction between the rubber eye relief on your spotting scope and the inside wall of the adapter. Now each adapter will ship with one fitting decal already installed. And when you open your Scope Cam, you'll find a little package of decals, and these are to be used as shims if you need them. So take your new Scope Cam adapter and test it out on your spotting scope and see how it's fitting. If it's too tight, then peel the decal off that it's shipped with, and if it's a hair too loose, then add another one of the Scope Cam decals on the opposite side and just play around with it on your scope until you get it fitting just how you want it. Now that you have your Scope Cam fitting just how you want it to your rubber eye relief on your spotting scope, let's hook it up to the scope, and I'm going to show you how fast and easy you can start taking awesome pictures and video. Okay, so what you're going to want to do now is take your new digital camera and make sure that the zoom is turned down all the way. And the same goes for your spotting scope. You want the zoom on your spotting scope cranked down on the lowest setting. Now when you get a camera from us, they come with, we turn the digital zoom off. You don't want to ever deal with any digital zoom. You only want to stay in the optical. And we go through the settings and we set them up for you. So all you should have to do is pretty much make sure that your camera is on the lowest optical zoom. And then take your camera, hold it by the adapter like this, and just push it on your spotting scope. Now you're going to know when it's on your spotting scope correctly when you see a perfect circle on the LCD screen on your camera, like I do right here. After you have that perfect circle in the middle of your LCD screen on your camera, is what you're going to want to start doing is zooming your camera in to eliminate the black edges or vignetting. And what I like to do is zoom my camera in all the way. And remember, I always stay in the optical zoom. I never go into the digital zoom. So after I zoom my camera in, I focus my spotting scope to get my picture as crisp as possible. Now that I have my LCD screen in focus, I'm now ready to start shooting HD video or still pictures. Now when I shoot still pictures, I like to use the self-timer mode and the custom timer. That way my hands are off the setup when the camera goes off and I can get a nice crisp picture. I hope you enjoy your new point-and-shoot Scope Cam kit. I hope those few things that we went over helps you understand a little bit better. And I'm going to take a few minutes and show you some awesome clips that we've shot with ours, and you'll be able to see just exactly what kind of quality you can expect through a setup like this. We're gonna give her hex first time out looking at bulls, just seeing a couple. Josh has been digiscoping them. Well, we just found a couple deer right here, about 200 yards away. They're kind of close, but I'm gonna hurry and show you how fast we can take some awesome pictures of these. These things are so fast and easy. Well, here we have a couple bulls about 250, 300 yards away, and we got really good light. We're taking some amazing pictures and HD video of them. Come over here and check this out. You can get the camera right up there in the screen. And we can work the zoom on the digital camera to eliminate the vignetting or the black fisheye. Look at that image, and we focus the image here with the focus on your spotting scope. Locked in right there, it's bad there, there we go. Now I've got it set on a custom 3-second 3-picture setting on the self timer, so I'm gonna trigger the camera. Counting down 3 seconds, and it's going to take 3 awesome pictures. That's a really neat shot right there. These point and shoot setups are amazing, I'm telling you.